Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mango popsicles at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 large, ripe mangoes, which will yield roughly 1 1/2 cups of fruit. For sweetness, have some honey or maple syrup ready, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons. Finally, a splash of liquid like water or coconut milk, about 1/4 cup, will help achieve the perfect consistency. Choosing sweet, fresh mangoes is key for the best flavor. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the mangoes. Carefully peel the skin from your 2 large mangoes, then chop the vibrant yellow flesh into small, manageable pieces. Transfer these pieces into a blender. Blend them until you achieve a wonderfully smooth and creamy puree. If your mangoes aren't quite sweet enough, this is the perfect time to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup to taste, blending again to combine. With your smooth mango puree ready, it's time to prepare for freezing. Gently combine the mango puree with about 1/4 cup of water or coconut milk in a bowl. This helps create a softer popsicle texture. Stir until everything is well mixed. Next, carefully pour this delightful mixture into your popsicle molds, making sure to fill them almost to the top, leaving a little space for expansion. Don't forget to insert your popsicle sticks into each mold. The final step is the easiest: freezing. Place your filled popsicle molds into the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. Once frozen, to easily remove your delicious treats, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, pull out your homemade, refreshing mango popsicles and enjoy this wonderful, cool treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.